What's up, Professor NFT here. So like always, before I get started with the video, this is non-financial advice and always do your own research. All right, so let's get started. So some of the NFTs I look forward to this month is Cartoon Cartel. I'm really big on this one. One thing I really like is they're actually releasing a play to earn game, which is pretty cool. So one thing I always check before minting an NFT, of course, I go ahead, check their Twitter. So their following is 12.7K, which is incredible. So what is Cartoon Cartel? So let's go here, look up the project info. So Cartoon Cartel is a collection of 9,999 NFTs built on the Solana blockchain. So the base collection consists of three factions: the Turn, the Mex, and the Surf. There are 3,333 NFTs from each faction, which are randomly distributed throughout the base collection. Okay. So there are also two other collections built within the Cartoon Cartel universe. Both of these collections, the Alien Tech and the Fourth Faction, will be available at the same time as base collection mints. Okay, so both of these other collections will be free mint. Details on how to mint these can be found below. So this is how, so pretty much in my understanding, if you mint 3, you could turn it into an alien tech and then get a free mint, which is pretty awesome. So by us doing that, it would actually help the project more because we are lowering the quantity of the collection, which should raise the price up because of price shock. So if they deliver in this, I feel like I'm really bullish on this NFT. So let's go ahead and check out their Discord. Okay, so we could see, let me show you guys the chat, the cartoon chat actually. We could see the chat is always going off, and then the mint price is 1.5 SOL. So that's pretty high. So this might be a little risky, but just because of the mint price, it might fall after mint. But if the team delivers correctly, which I'm pretty sure they are gonna do, I could see this project hitting at least 2 or 3 SOL fast. So just make sure you guys do more research and just be careful when you guys mint. Make sure you use a burner wallet just in case you get rugged. I doubt it with this project, but always, every time you mint a project, use a burner wallet no matter what. And also see they do a bunch of, where is it at? They do a bunch of giveaways as well. So check it out. It looks like I'm going to go ahead and try to mint one at least this month. And the mint date is January 30th. And again, if you do mint, just make sure you use a burner wallet. I fully trust in the team. Oh, and go ahead and check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. So another project I'm looking to ape into is Basic Ape Society, another ape NFT. It looks good though, in my opinion. Art is super dope. Let me go ahead and pull up some art here. Oh, we're in Cartoon Cartel. Sorry about that. Basic Ape Society Discord. Here you go. Art looks super dope. Let me pop that up here. Okay. So here it is. Look at it. I love it. So let's see. They have around 3K followers, which is not bad. It's actually pretty good. But one thing that caught my eye is, of course, let me show you the public apes chat. It's a community. It's strong. Everyone's interacting with each other, and it's a lot of activity. So I also have the road. I also love the roadmap. Let me go ahead and show you the roadmap here. Where is it? Right there. There you go. All right. So phase 1, we have the mint. Phase 2, the basics. So that's when they're listing Magic Eden. Phase 3. So our society will officially open to all those who hold a basic ape. Inclusion in the DAO will grant you access to exclusive giveaways, airdrops, votes, evolving the future of the project, early access to mint, and much more. So that's something incredible right there. Phase 4, the fund. 50% of all royalties will be put into a community fund, which the community will vote on how to distribute it to the holders within the DAO. So that's something I like that the team's actually doing. They actually care about the community, and they're pretty much giving back to us as well. So there's the rest of the phases. I don't want to read the rest, but you could see, I'll put a link in the description below of their Discord so you guys can go ahead and check them out. But also the mint is just, let me show you the mint price. Let's go back on Discord here. Mint is just 0.49 SOL. Supply is 2,222, and we already know what that means. That's a low supply, and that's a good mint price. I see this going to 1 SOL for sure. I don't see why it wouldn't. And then mint, I'm sorry about that. It's coming soon. It's actually coming in 3 days. So you guys go ahead, check them out. Like I said, I'll put a link in the Discord in the description below, and also I'll put one of my links from my Discord. Currently, there's not that many people, but I'm trying to make this big where we can all share pretty much our knowledge on NFTs, what's coming up, what plays everyone has, and we'll see. But that's all for me today. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys later.